You're holding a technological marvel in your hands. But how does a block of metal, glass, and silicon become the iPhone 17? Today, we're taking you inside the complete manufacturing process. Welcome to KI Tech. The iPhone 17, Apple's latest flagship, goes through an incredibly complex 400-step manufacturing process across multiple countries before it reaches your pocket. Let's break down exactly how it's made, from raw materials to the finished product. It all starts in Cupertino, California, where Apple's design team spends years perfecting every detail. Engineers use advanced CAD software to design the iPhone 17's unique titanium frame and position every internal component with millimeter precision. The new A19 Bionic chip, manufactured using 3nm technology, is designed in collaboration with TSMC. Prototypes are 3D printed and tested thousands of times before final approval. Every curve, every button placement, and every component position is calculated for optimal performance and user experience. The brain of the iPhone 17 is the A18 Bionic chip, manufactured by TSMC in Taiwan using 3nm process technology. This chip contains over 19 billion transistors. The process starts with ultra-pure silicon wafers, refined to 99.9999999% purity. These wafers undergo photolithography, where UV light etches microscopic circuit patterns onto the silicon surface. Each wafer goes through over 1,000 processing steps, including chemical vapor deposition, ion implantation, and etching. A single wafer produces hundreds of chips, and the entire process takes about 3 months in a Class 1 clean room. That's 10,000 times cleaner than a hospital operating room. After fabrication, chips are tested, cut from the wafer, and packaged. Only the chips that pass rigorous testing make it into an iPhone. The iPhone 17's stunning 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display is manufactured by Samsung and LG in South Korea. This OLED display delivers 2,000 nits peak brightness and supports 120 Hz ProMotion technology. OLED manufacturing begins with a glass substrate that's coated with organic compounds in a vacuum chamber. These organic materials emit light when electricity passes through them. That's why OLED displays can show perfect blacks. The display goes through color filter application, where red, green, and blue subpixels are precisely deposited. Each pixel is smaller than a human hair. Touch sensors are integrated directly into the display using thin film technology, and the entire panel is laminated to eliminate air gaps. Finally, the display is cut to exact iPhone 17 dimensions and tested for dead pixels and color accuracy. The iPhone 17 Pro features a revolutionary triple camera system with 48-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5x optical zoom telephoto lens. These camera modules are assembled by suppliers in Japan and China. Each lens is made from precision-molded glass elements, ground and polished to optical perfection. The main sensor is a custom Sony IMX sensor with larger pixels for better low-light performance. The lens elements are assembled in dust-free environments and precisely aligned. Even a 1-micron misalignment would result in blurry photos. Image stabilization systems use tiny motors and gyroscopes to counteract handshake. LiDAR sensors for depth sensing are calibrated individually. The entire camera module is then tested in various lighting conditions before being approved for installation. The iPhone 17 Pro features an Aerospace-Grade titanium frame, the same material used in spacecraft. This makes it lighter yet stronger than stainless steel. Titanium manufacturing begins with forging raw titanium billets at over 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit. CNC machines then precisely mill the frame to tolerances of 0.01 millimeters. The titanium is thermally treated to increase strength, then sandblasted for the signature matte finish. Precision holes are drilled for buttons, ports, and screws. each positioned within 0.05 millimeters accuracy. The frame undergoes anodization to add color and corrosion resistance. Finally, it's polished and inspected for any microscopic defects. Each frame is checked against 3D scan models to ensure perfect specifications. Now all components come together at Foxconn's massive assembly facility in Zhengzhou, China, known as iPhone City. This facility employs over 350,000 workers and can produce 500,000 iPhones per day. The assembly line has over 400 individual steps. First, the logic board is populated with the A18 chip, memory, and other components using automated SMT machines. This board is then placed into the titanium frame. Next, the battery is carefully installed and connected. Apple's custom L-shaped battery design maximizes capacity in the limited space. The display is precisely aligned and bonded to the frame using specialized adhesive. Camera modules are installed and calibrated. Each camera is individually focused using laser alignment systems. The entire assembly happens in clean room conditions to prevent dust contamination. Robotic arms install hundreds of tiny screws with precise torque specifications. The iPhone is then sealed, and Face ID sensors are calibrated to work with the specific display and camera configuration. Before any iPhone 17 leaves the factory, it undergoes rigorous quality testing. Every single unit is powered on and tested, not random sampling, but 100% inspection. The iPhone goes through 40+ individual tests, including display functionality checks, where every pixel is tested, camera calibration verification, Face ID system testing, wireless charging, 5G connectivity, speaker and microphone quality, button responsiveness, and waterproofing verification. Each iPhone is connected to automated testing systems that run diagnostics on all hardware and software. The battery undergoes charge cycle testing, and thermal cameras check for heat distribution issues. Water resistance is verified through pressure testing chambers. The iPhone 17's IP68 rating means it can survive 6 meters underwater for 30 minutes. Only phones that pass all tests receive quality approval. Any device that fails even one test is pulled from the line, diagnosed, and either repaired or recycled. Apple's quality standards allow 0 defects. After passing all tests, the iPhone 17 moves to packaging. Apple's minimalist packaging is designed for sustainability and protection. The iPhone is carefully placed in its recycled fiber tray along with a USB-C cable and documentation. The box is sealed and receives a unique serial number linking it to its manufacturing data. From the factory, iPhones are shipped globally through a sophisticated logistics network. Temperature-controlled containers ensure devices aren't exposed to extreme conditions during transport. Distribution centers sort phones by model and destination. Within days of leaving the factory, your iPhone 17 arrives at an Apple Store or carrier ready for activation. From raw materials to finished product, the iPhone 17 represents one of the most complex manufacturing processes in consumer technology. Over 400 steps, thousands of components, and months of production culminate in the device in your hand. This incredible supply chain spans multiple continents and involves hundreds of thousands of workers, engineers, and specialists. Each iPhone is a testament to modern manufacturing precision and global collaboration. If you found this fascinating, subscribe to KI Tech for more deep dives into how your favorite tech gadgets are made. Which device should we explore next? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech manufacturing content.